rain for a whole day.
Happy birthday, Kenny.
Happy birthday, Peter.
25 today, huh?
No, 26 actually.
Oh.
But I'm hoping to reach 26 and a half.
But within the next 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, I thought you were going to say from 25 I'm going back down to 24 and next year I'll be 23, right?
No, I'm sorry, I cannot lie, I chopped down that cherry tree. It's my birthday today and I'm just being happy, as you can see. Right, and sorry.
Okay.
Come on.
Hello, Owen.
Hello, how's it going?
Nice one. You've been helping with all the setting up, I've noticed.
Indeed, doing a little bit.
Nice one. Sitting in front of Rescue Mission Planet Earth. And I don't know your name.
John.
Hello, John.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. And Bridie, who's been putting up all posters and stuff. And spreading out the carpets with everybody's help. Yay! And what's happening over here?
Oh, health and safety check. Oh shit. God. It's not really me.
Zoom in on his fingernails.
It's not me.
Oh, look at all this organic chopping.
It's not me.
What do you mean it's not you? I videotaped you feeding the masses last year.
No, you never. There's a different guy. I'm a clone called Guy.
I like the haircut, by the way.
Yeah, well, yeah, that was just because basically, after years of doing this, the spirit is always there, but the body gets older, and it was all going grey, and I thought, I can't be that age already. Right, so I decided to opt out for the aging process and shave it off and take me back to days that I remember much better. Well, like today, really. And in a place that is a glimpse of the future, really. After the oil runs out. Everything, so basically the alternative is to turn, say, well, I don't need these things. What do I need? I need food, I need shelter, I need my family, and that family becomes an extended family, which is a community, which is the true collective word of family, really, and it is a tribe. And when the world unifies it, that United Kingdom, I've never seen Britain so united in a tribal way. As in, it's not like England, Ireland, Scotland and Wales, it's more the line of we're the United Kingdom of the conscious people of the world, and at some point in this landmass we all collectively come together from all nations and we celebrate each other, our differences, our skills, our necessities, our campaigns and needs, which we reflect in this area. There's a whole lot of people from all walks of life. There's someone coming in from Iraq. There's a circus here that goes to Iraq and does circusing in battlefields, which is a bit far out for me. I wouldn't like that. But that's what I like. This tribal unity that's gathering, which brings in all peoples from all over the world, from all backgrounds, and we find that sort of common solutions amongst ourselves to deal with this world. Unfortunately, we're not funded. So if you're a voter, I ask that you send a donation to the Earth Circus, please, because we need your funds to change this world, to make it the world that your children and we and you want to live in.
And if I'm seeing this on the web, where would I have to go in order to find something that I can click on in order to make a donation?
You would go to www, actually there's only 3 of them, but you don't even need the WWs these days. It's circlecommunity.org, which is a website which deals with up-to-date environmental action and sustainable solutions and activities and centres that around the world and country. There's forums there. There's actually this man here knows all about it.
That man knows all about it, you reckon?
It's his web space.
You reckon that man knows about it?
There's
Which one?
circlecommunity.org.
Circlececommunity.org.
To send donations to help us with
Yeah.
environmental campaigns.
Yeah.
So what's the motivation, Phoenix?
Between cycle.
What are we doing at Sunrise Festival this year?
Well, we're doing Earth Circus and the campaigns area, which is got about 20-25 different environmental campaign groups coming to talk and do discussions and talk to workshops. And we also have band, stage, music over Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We've had school kids in already. Basically, we've got lots of displays and information up, raising awareness about lots of different environmental issues. We've got about 60 different films to show, and through all of that we'll be entertaining a lot of people, bringing them into the area where there is environmental exhibitions, and raising awareness of all the various different issues and solutions to the environment we can get out with as much fun as possible.
Nice one. Fluffy as always, eh?
Yay.
And look who else is here.
Yes, just
Look who else is here, just
landed
arrived.
from train and bus from London.
Nice one, Susanna.
I need a toilet first.
Oh,
You know how it is. Been drinking apple juice all the way. Is it just boiled?
You've got a strong hand. Hey! How you doing?
Kenny or John, they're strong-handed men.
Well, the changes are already happening. The fact that we're actually at this festival is part of the change.
Says he.
Look ahead, hot oil. And it's bringing people together, and you know, a lot of youth come to these places, people get educated.